we have Troy from Full Gamut Defense Arts. We're going to work on slipping and weaving. We're going to combine this with a strike because I don't ever just slip or weave just by itself. It's a waste of energy. You want to make your opponent pay when you're making a miss a strike. We'll go slow first. As Troy is jabbing, I am slipping my head out of the way and I'm jabbing at the same time. Okay, so fast. See that? Okay, and then we'll go slow again. I want to weave, I want to slip out. I'm sorry, I'm slipping. I'm out of the way of the tack, shoulder protecting my face. One more time. When I'm here, I want to angle out. I could kick, all sorts of things. But as soon as I make a miss, I want to angle out on this. See? Here, out. Same thing for the right hand. We'll go slow. I can hook, okay? Or I could just cross, okay? Same thing coming out. So here we are, weave out, stepping out. So that would look like fast, okay? We are out, in, out. So same thing with when we have a weave here. I'm going with it and out. Slip, slip at the same time, jabbing. Okay? I want to stay protected. I don't just want to do this. Look at the kicks, look at the knees. I want to stay protected. So when I'm, without you there, when I'm jabbing, everything is nice and protected. I don't just want to throw strikes. So get each individual strike down first.